Well, after practicing for 3 decades, I have a list of tips for you to maximize your visit to an immigration attorney. So if you've never been to an attorney or you've never been to an immigration attorney, many people say, well, what do I take? What should I ask? What should I show him or her? These are tips that come from 3 decades of practicing, because many times I'll see a client and I'll say, you didn't bring me such and such document, or I need you to come back, or I need you to fax or email me certain documents to better give you advice in your particular case. Here's a list. First, speaking of list, make a list of your questions. When you're at home, before you get to the lawyer, make a list of what you need to know, what you'd like to know besides how much is it going to cost, how long it's going to take, what are the risks, what are the pros and cons, what other options do I have. Next, if you have a prior immigration case, maybe you have a case with another lawyer or you filed it with a notary or a paralegal, make sure you get copies of that and bring them with you to the consultation so that a new lawyer can look at them with fresh eyes and give you an opinion on that case. Next, if you've had priors, whether it be an arrest, even if it's a traffic violation, make sure you get the police record. If there was a conviction and you went to court, that you get the criminal docket sheet. That's a summary of what happened in your criminal case. Make sure you get a photocopy of that from the court, and specifically, I would recommend that you get it certified. This is best because immigration may require a certified copy. You may as well get it certified from the get-go. Also, if you are applying for a U visa because you've been a victim of a violent crime in the United States, make sure that you take to the lawyer the police record, and if there was a conviction, the conviction documents. Lastly, if your parents ever filed a case, ask them. Many times they came many years ago and they filed some kind of paperwork to legalize their status. Maybe it wasn't concluded. Maybe they tried to immigrate through their employer, their boss, and the case fell through, but you were included. Make sure you ask your parents for a copy of their documents because it may favor you in your particular case. So this is a partial list of what I've learned over 30 years. Make sure you're prepared so that your lawyer can give you the best advice.